Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kim and this is our Bountiful Kitchen. Today I'm making a beef kielbasa with roasted vegetables and a little bit of something extra. We have some dried cherries, raisins, pine nuts, and a Granny Smith apple. First thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to cut my beef kielbasa into small pieces, and I'm just going to cut on the diagonal. I'm going to bake this on a cookie sheet. Alright, now we're going to cut our vegetables. I'm just taking Brussels sprout, cutting it in half, and putting it in the bowl. I've already washed, trimmed, peeled the vegetables. Now I just need to cut them all up. I'm using a sweet potato. The last one I have, so I better enjoy it. I'm doing smaller pieces on this. I want to be able to taste all the flavor that's in these sweet potatoes. And again, I'm just adding them to the bowl. This is a parsnip. It is similar to a carrot in flavor. It has a little more earthy, rustic taste to it. It is a very underlooked vegetable. You don't think of parsnips all that often, but this one little vegetable is amazing in flavor, in taste, and texture. Give it a try. Now I want to cut this in smaller pieces, and I want it bite-sized. I want this bite-sized. And these are going into the bowl. Next is carrots. We want these a little smaller, not my usual bigger chunky pieces. I want them a little smaller. So we're just going to chop them down. And these are going in the bowl. I have one Granny Smith apple peeled. Now I just need to cut it. I'm actually going to use a larger bowl to toss the vegetables in. I'm using 1 cup of avocado oil. One generous tablespoon of Italian seasoning. 1 tablespoon of garlic. And what we want to do is we want to mix this up. And we want to pour this over our vegetables. To this mixture, we're adding 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, 2 tablespoons of dried cranberries, and 2 tablespoons of raisins. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. You want to make sure everything is nice and coated. I'm going to add vegetables, the dried fruit, and the nuts to the cookie sheet. I'm going to air fry this meal in my oven at 350 degrees, so let's get it in. That's our halfway point, and we need to shake the pan a little bit. Oh my gosh. Well, this is looking fantastic. So what I want to do is basically toss everything get everything turned. Okay, we're going to put these back in the oven. I had a taste of the meat, and let me tell you, it is amazing. It is, this is amazing. I love this air fryer. Okay, I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes in the air fryer, and hopefully it'll be done. If so, it's only taken 30 minutes, so we'll see. Alright, that's the oven telling me it's ready. So let's take it out and check it out. Oh my goodness. And there you have it. Dinner on a cookie sheet. And there you have it, a very easy air fried meal. I never thought my oven could do this. I'm amazed. The food tastes great. The vegetables air fried are amazing. The beef kielbasa, I can't tell you, the combination of everything is amazing. I love this dish. Alright, as always, I want to thank you, the viewer, for watching. Thank you for subscribing, giving us your thumbs up. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. If not, we'll try harder next time. As always, have a safe and happy holiday. We'll see you next time. Bye!